Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I'll be refreshing my living room for the new year. Now, like most times in the new year, I like to bring in new furniture or just switch things around in my home or bring in a new color. So I recently picked up this chair from Goodwill and it was a really good deal at $4.98, nearly $5, and I just couldn't pass it up. And so I brought it home and I wasn't sure where I was going to put it. So I placed it in the living room to see if this was an option. I placed some black and ivory pillows on the sofa, but I thought this is nothing new. I've been here before. And so I thought, let's do something different. And so since Christmas, I've been hooked on navy blue. So I went over to Designs by Chanel's Etsy shop to look for some navy blue pillow covers. And so I found some navy blue chenille pillow covers, and that got the ball rolling. So I went down in my decor closet and pulled out anything that were in shades of blue, brown, cream, and things that had a warm and cozy vibe. Also, when I am redecorating a space, I like to take the opportunity to rethink or repaint decor to save money. And so I picked up this baby's breath over Christmas. It was green. I had planned on using it with my Christmas decor, but never did. So I spray painted it blue as well as this vase. Okay guys, so on a separate Goodwill trip, I found these lamps and a blue tablecloth. The lamps were an odd price at $11.26 and the tablecloth was $5.18. Now, getting off topic for just a quick minute. Now, checking out at some stores due to the penny situation, they will round up your bill when you pay cash, and that extra money goes in their pocket and not yours. So I just wanted you guys to be on the lookout and use your credit card if you can. So when I get things from Goodwill, I have a go-to cleaner. I like to use the Clorox wipes as well as the Folex carpet cleaner. Now it says carpet cleaner, but I do use it on fabric. It is very good on fabric. So yeah, I was thinking I would use this tablecloth for pillows, but I'm not sure yet. Stick around. It'll probably happen in the next video. Alright guys, so we have a clean palette here. We're starting out with the sofa table behind the sofa. And I'm just placing a vase here with some evergreen. I want to keep that winter vibe going. And I'm going to place a few things up here, but make sure you guys stay until the end because some of the items will change. I tend to change my mind during the decorating process. So stay until the end if you want to see the final results. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get the pillows put on the sofa. And guys, please bear with me during this decorating process. The lighting in the living room is not that great. As you can see, it's a little bit cloudy outside. And so this time of year, creators, we struggle with decorating in bright sunshine. And so I'm going to finish out the decorating process, but I'm going to do the reveal the next day in better lighting. Okay, so we're going to add a little something to this corner, but it's going to get switched out in the end as well. Okay guys, so let's see what you think about my winter refresh. I love how I incorporated the navy with my neutral color palette. It still reads neutral. Navy is a neutral color, as well as the lighter blue that I used is considered neutral as well. I wanted to bring in some of the winter cozy vibes, such as the plush throws, some browns, and then the obvious winter decor such as pine cones and evergreens. Now here in the bookcase, I kept it neutral as well, but I did bring in hints of my accent color in blue. Okay everyone, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing my little refresh for winter, and please do subscribe if you haven't already, because I will be doing a winter tour and I'll share a little bit more of the home and you can see how it all came together. Well, I'm not sure. I may do the kitchen next. Let me know. Do you guys want to see a kitchen tour? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next.